In this video, you will see how to type oxygen symbol in Word document. There are three methods to type oxygen symbol. In the first method, you need to click here on the Insert tab, then click on Equation. And here you will see the option of Equation tab. Click on the script and select the option Subscript. Now in the boxes, just type O and 2 in the subscript. To remove the italics, select them, go to the Home tab and then click on this I button to remove the italics. In the second method, you can just type O2, select the number 2 using a mouse or a keyboard, and under the Home tab, you will see the option of X at the bottom too. This is a subscript option. After clicking on this option, you will get the oxygen symbol. In the third method, it's a keyboard shortcut. Just type O2, select the 2, press and hold the control key on your keyboard and press equal to get the oxygen symbol. Comment below and let me know which method works for you. If this video solved your problem, click on that like button and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell notification icon to learn Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.